Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to this video today on oxygen supply at home. Uh, Actually, these days, due to this corona, COVID-19, or other lungs diseases, people want to stay at home and can use these different methods to supply oxygen to the patient. I will just explain how you can use these tools, cylinders and machines. I'm not a doctor, I'm an IT professional. So you have to consult your doctor and take advice and follow as per doctor prescriptions and advice, right? This is just an assistance or guidance that if you are interested to use these machines at home, how you can use, how you can buy it, what will be the cost, that's it, right? Okay. Very first thing will be the pulse oximeter, which will tell you how much oxygen already is there in your body. So if it is around 95, it is excellent, fine. Normal people can have 95 plus minus, it will not stay at one number, but if it is 95 plus minus, it's okay, but not too much down. Now if it is less than 90, then you have to worry. You have to be worried, right? There is something wrong. It should be plus 90, always it should be plus 90, right? If you see this oximeter, it is showing 98 at the moment oxygen level, which is good, and this is down is your heartbeats, pulse. So this shouldn't be also high, 78 is quite normal. So this machine can suggest you your current level, right? And this you have to use on your finger, right? Especially on your nail. If you see here, there is a red light. Let me highlight it. Highlighter here, like here, right? So this should be on your nail. So this should be top side and this is the bottom side, right, on the nail, right? Okay, this is pulse oximeter. I will share with you the prices of each equipment later in a slide, right? So this is the very first thing. If you can't measure, you don't know how much is requirement, because the very first thing is how much oxygen should be given to the patient. This measurement is must, and your doctor should describe to you. Then you can make arrangements, and I will show you what are the plus and minus of different levels of oxygens. Okay, the first thing is oxygen cylinder. This is an oxygen cylinder of a large size. Then you need a mask, oxygen mask. This is a mask, right? Let me put it pen. This is oxygen mask with this pipe, and then you have flow meter, which you can fix or you will have to fix on your cylinder, right? This one, and this is to open your oxygen, a key of your cylinder. So this is, there is a handle, right? Okay, this is a gauge which will tell you how much oxygen pressure is there in your cylinder, right? Then you have this humidifier or a bottle. So oxygen will come into this, and then from here it will go next to the patient. So up to this, there is a water in this down. There will be mark on each bottle how much water you have to be added. Okay. So you can open from here this bottle, this blue bottle, and you can add water up to the mark and then just tight it, right? Okay, then here this is the gauge. This gauge is to open the oxygen to the patient, right? From here you are opening from cylinder to the flow meter, but from this gauge you are opening to the patient from here, right. So, if you see here, just there is one small ball. So, when you will increase, it will go up and it will show you the level. So, it will say, let us say 1, 2, 3, 4, I think this cylinder will be up to 10. So, here it is 10, around here it will be 5. So, this ball, when you will increase the oxygen pressure, this ball, this small ball, this will go up. So, you have to keep monitoring on this. So, doctor will suggest you how much oxygen should be given, right. So, with this you will increase or decrease, and you have to monitor this ball. This will go up or down based on your, you can see here as well on the right side. This is, I just took one picture for more clarity. So, if you see here, there is a marking of the water up to this level. Then this is output going to the oxygen mask. This side you will use to the cylinder. This is gauge of your cylinder to tell you how much pressure is there, and here there is a ball, if you see here, right. So, once you will open this gauge, this will go up, right. So, you have to keep up to the level which is required to the patient. You can't just increase or decrease, it is need of the patient, right. And this is how you will use the mask. So, there is a belt, so above the ears you can wear like this, looks like that. Please make sure that you are buying an oxygen mask, because there is a nebulization mask that is different for nebulizer machine, that will be different. This is oxygen mask, very simple. So, under this nebulizer mask there will be something more equipment over here. So, do not buy that one, because that will not fulfill your requirement, right. Okay, next, oxygen usage with cost. Okay, now let us say for example, if your patient need 2 liters and you have this large cylinder, it will work for 8 hours, and normally one cylinder, this cost is from Lahore, it might be plus or minus, you can check your local suppliers. So, here it was 1850 per refill into 3, and this is 24 hours cost. If your patient need 5 liters, then the same cylinder will work only for 2 hours, and this is the cost. If 10 liters, then it will work only for 1 hour, and this is the cost. So, here I put it note, cylinders are good if maximum 2 liters required. So, see here, at least you have margin to get new cylinder or refill, because it will finish in 8 hours. So, you need 3 cylinders per day. So, still it is okay, but here within 2 hours, I do not know how much stock you can keep it with you. So, here I will suggest a concentrator machine, oxygen machine, which I will show you later. Otherwise, this is also, this level is difficult to maintain, right, at home. I am talking about home. Okay, now 10 liters, 1 hour. So, this is impossible, you can't maintain at home. Better move to hospital. Okay, and machine up to 5 liters. If more than 5 liters, then immediately shift to the hospital, right. Because few people try not to stay in hospital due to quarantine or no intake by the hospitals. They just straight away refuse to take any further patient of throat or lungs. They will ask straightforward, it's a corona patient or something like that. So, you need a test. Normally, if you will go for a test, corona test, it will take around 1 to 2 days. So, if let us say for example, you have to supply oxygen for 1 or 2 days and he is not a corona patient, so at least you can follow these steps which might help you. Okay. Now, here is a machine, oxygen concentrator Everflow. This is Philips machine. I personally used it at my home, highly recommended, and good performance. It's by Philips. and it's available in Pakistan. Okay, let me show you how this machine works. I've taken few pics. Philips oxygen concentrator Everflow. Okay. Now, like I showed you flow meter on cylinder, here there is a gauge, right? This one. And here that same ball will be here. So, it will move up. This machine supports up to 5 liters, right? 5 liters of oxygen. Okay. Here you can remove this cover and clean. There is a filter or there is, I think, foam inside it just for cleaning. And this is electric cable supply 220. Then this is humidifier or same like we had on cylinder, this bottle. And here you have another filter which you can change. I will tell you the prices the same. This you can remove, push from here, so you can change this air filter, right? Here you can check the number of hours this machine is used. Maybe you are buying an old machine, so you can check here the number of hours this machine was used, right? Okay, here it is output to the oxygen mask, this one. So this output from machine going into this bottle. Again, here there are levels of maximum up to here, minimum of water up to this. So you have to fill water or keep water in this level, right? And you can open from here. It's just removable from here. Okay. So this pipe will be there. You can put it there, and then mask you will attach here. This is the mask knob. You can see here. This is for mask, right? And you can remove from here this one. You can remove this. You can clean, because there is a pipe if you see down here. So depending on the quality of water, you will have to clean it, right? That's it. This is the machine. That's the simplest one. And here is a power button. So once you will plug in, you just switch it on, and then you adjust the knob from here. How much level is required of the oxygen, it will go up and it will supply accordingly. Okay. Now next is items prices. Okay, pulse oximeter, I am just estimating 4,000 plus. It might be for 3,000 as well, but depending on different brands, qualities, you know, so you can check this one as well. Cylinder large is first time they charge around 9,500 plus minus depending on suppliers. Refill is around 1850. There can be small cylinders as well, but depending on your requirement. Okay, oxygen mask around 100 plus minus depending on quality. Oxygen flow meter is around 3250 plus minus, again depending on quality. Philips Everflow oxygen concentration machine, it will be 115,000 PKR plus minus possible, because I had purchased in December, so I don't know the current price, but it will be plus and minus around this. Okay, at that time this corona was not there, so I don't know they increased or decreased or whatever. Okay, it's air filter which I was showing how to replace, that is of 2,500. This water bottle, if it is broken or something happen, you can buy it for 2,500 as well. So both are 2,500 each. Okay, if you want to buy a second hand, it will cost around 40,000 to 80,000. You can't, there will be no, I think, warranty as well, and there will be noisy. So you have to check all these things, and then you have to, from whom you are buying, to check the purity of the oxygen, how it is giving, because it's not just let's say for the meter is showing 5, is it really 5, or you know, maybe it is giving 3 and you are just using it, depending on condition. Okay, there are other Chinese oxygen machines as well, around 70,000 price, new one. If it is old, might be 30,000, but I will not prefer this one because I had evaluated and I was not happy. So better to go with this Philips machine if you can afford, or you can go with second hand or whatever, right? Thank you very much. Share your feedback, and if you need any help, better first contact your doctor. And in this equipment usage, or if you want to buy, you need any help, kindly you can drop me a message. I will contact you. Once again, I am not a doctor, I am an IT professional. I am just guiding you the usage of these equipments, because many people contacted me. They were suffering due to situation in hospitals. They wanted to stay at home, and they were not aware of these machines or cylinders, from where to get it, from where to refill, what are the prices, things like that, and how to use them. So over the phone I guided them through the videos. So I thought better to record this video, which might help others as well. So share your comments and stay at home, and this will also give you an idea that if you get affected by going out without mask or without gloves, how much costly it would be for you. It's not easy, by the way. So stay home and take care of yourself. Health is wealth, no doubt. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.